Let's find a place where we can get away. Just spend a day.
I would describe mother, kasi mother ang tawag ko talaga sa kanya. Sobrang niyan, maasikaso, lalo na hindi lang sa mga anak, kahit ibang tao.
Just wait and see. The future is bright. Hold on tight.
Makikita mo na she is live beautifully and she is our heart in the family.
The story's just begun.
At siya ay isang mapakatapat na kaibigan.
It's only chapter one. The best is yet to come.
She's the super mother of everybody, of the world. She's the best mom. She's number one. And we are so blessed to have Inay in our life. So she is number one. She gives me a lot of inspiration. She is a strong person, strong woman. She is very loving, very giving. She gave it all. And that is the strength that I got from her.
Your eyes, I know everything will be alright. The future is bright. Hold on tight. The story's just begun. The story's just begun. It's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun. Just begun.
Ate, happy birthday. Good health and God bless you.
This is a story. It is yours and it is mine.
I love you so much, Pinsan.
Future is bright.
Happy birthday. I love you, Tia. Happy birthday from Inay. Okay. I love you. I love you.
Oh, it's just begun. Just begun. The story's just begun.
Ang wish ko sa aking mahal na kumari ay
It's just
all the best. Gusto ko lahat ng mabubuting bagay, magagandang pagkakataon, magagandang lahat ng maganda. Gusto ko yung mapupunta sa kanya.
Talagang wala akong kalam-alam. Akala ko talaga birthday ng aking manugang. So, ganun lang ang pagkabigla ko kanina. Dadaanan ko pa nga sana kaninang umaga si Kumaring Glo at papapuntahin ko sa birthday ni Ella. So, hindi ko talaga alam at nga. Kaya pala kaninang umaga ako nakasapatos na pinapagpalit pa nila ako. Pero ako nagpapasalamat din at I'm so blessed. Kasi nga sa dinanas naming paghihirap ng unang panahon, ito na sila. Nasa magaganda ng kanya-kanya ng buhay.
There's something different in the air. No matter where we go from here. Now our time has come.
Happy 80th birthday po, Inay! Surprise! Sana po ay mas humaba pa po ang inyong buhay, good health and more blessings, at saka po more customers sa inyong barber shop. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo.
Binabati kita ng maligayang karawan at sana pagkaloob ng Panginoon na magkaroon ka pa ng marami pang karawan.
Breathe it in. I'll keep it in
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you po.
Holding here and now, taking in the wonder that's all around, ready for a moment to chase it down. We're setting sail, this fairy tale unfolding. Yeah, we know it now, our time has finally come.
To Inay, to the woman who gave me life and taught me love, I wish you all the best and happy birthday, Mom. Happy 80th birthday. And you always feel grateful and always be loved by everyone. And thank you for everything, Inay. Happy 80th birthday.
Come, so let's just run.
I wish Inay a very happy, healthy, and all the happiness in the world. And I hope that you come with me to the US soon. Tatlo and Bill are waiting for you. We love you, Inay. Happy 80th birthday.
Our time has finally come, so let's just run.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
I love you, Inay Lydia.
I know I won't forget the beauty that we're holding.
Happy birthday, Inay. Wish ko lang po sa inyo, bigyan pa kayo ng mahaba pang buhay. Maging masaya. Salamat po sa binigay niyong pagmamahal mula pagkabata. Happy birthday po.
So let's just run. We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
Taking this opportunity to wish my mother a very happy 80th birthday. Marami minsan tayong pagtatalo, pero God knows kung gaano namin kayo ka-love. At sana ay makasama namin kayo hanggang sa pagtanda niyo. Happy birthday, Mother. We love you.